In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Wix Studio to Wix Editor. Whether you're looking for a simpler design process or just want to explore a new platform, transitioning from Wix Studio to Wix Editor is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to make the switch with confidence. So let's get started and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're logging into the one associated with the Wix Studio platform you want to transition from. Once you're in, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Discover page within the Wix Studio interface. The Discover page is designed to help you explore additional features and options within Wix Studio, but for now, we'll be using it as the starting point for our transition process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here before. It's always good to know your way around. Once you're on the Discover page, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option within the menu. The Settings menu is where you'll find tools and options related to your account and your website's current setup. This is a key step because it's where you'll access the information you need to proceed with the transition. After you click on Settings, look for an option that says Find Out More. This is your doorway to all the transition-related details. Clicking this will give you access to important information about what switching from Wix Studio to Wix Editor involves. If this is your first time hearing about the differences between these two platforms, the Find Out More section can provide some clarity. It's always a good idea to read through this section carefully so you understand what to expect after making the switch. Once you've reviewed the transition details, you'll notice a box appears on your screen. This box is essentially a confirmation step. In order to proceed, you'll need to click on the box to indicate that you understand the transition process and what it entails. This step is important because it ensures you're aware of the changes that will occur when you leave Wix Studio. Now, for the final step, you'll see an option that says Leave Wix Studio. Clicking this option will finalize the process and switch you over to the Wix Editor platform. Keep in mind, once you make the switch, your design workspace will look a little different, but that's where the fun begins. You'll have access to the Wix Editor's tools and features which offer a more hands-on, customizable approach to building your site. And that's it. You've successfully transitioned from Wix Studio to Wix Editor. If at any point you feel unsure about the process, don't hesitate to revisit these instructions or consult Wix's support resources for additional help. Transitions like these can seem daunting at first, but with a clear roadmap, they become manageable and even exciting. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.